Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Are you looking for an email you sent that hasn't arrived yet, or one you scheduled for later delivery in Outlook? This is a common question. When an email isn't sent immediately, it often sits in a specific folder, waiting. If you are using the Outlook desktop application, your first stop should be the Outbox folder. Emails scheduled for delayed delivery, or those that failed to send immediately due to a temporary issue, will often be found here. Check the Outbox folder in the left navigation pane. If it's not visible, it usually means it's empty. Another crucial place to look is your Drafts folder. Sometimes, an email that was meant to be sent later, or one that encountered an error during its initial send attempt, might revert to a draft state. Always check both Outbox and Drafts. For those using Outlook on the web, through a browser, the process is slightly different. You won't typically have an Outbox folder in the same way. Instead, look primarily in your Drafts folder. Emails set for delayed sending in the web version will often remain in Drafts until their scheduled send time. If you can't find it in Drafts, it might have already sent, or a saving error occurred. Remember, delayed delivery emails are simply waiting for their turn. You can open them from these folders, review their content, adjust the send time, or even cancel the delivery if your plans change. This method helps you manage your outbound communications effectively.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.